Alright, so let's chat about Dave Sharpe and his 15-day business builder challenge. So, a lot of people are wondering if Dave's the real deal, and to be honest, from what I've seen, he's actually legit. Dave's been around the block in the online business world, and he has a solid track record. He's actually generated over $200 million in sales from his business in less than 10 years. There's even a video of Kevin Harrington, one of the original sharks from Shark Tank, vouching for David Sharpe, so he is the real deal. He's helped tons and tons of people start their online business from the ground. And using the link in the description below, you can actually find all these success stories from his students who took the 15-day business builder challenge. He actually has a YouTube channel as well where he posts long videos with his students who actually share the details of their success, and they're going to give you more insight on the 15-day challenge and what it was like for them. Plus, he's just a nice guy. He's all about transparency and giving real actionable advice. So if you are thinking about joining the challenge, I'd say just go for it. And his challenge could be the thing that you need to kickstart your online business and maybe even quit your job. Click the link in the description if you want to try the 15-day challenge for only $7. It comes with a 100% refund policy if you don't like it, so there's no risk. Thanks for watching.